so much better, especially for like
Girls like me, I like a magnet to a knife. Can I get lighter from the ocean?
Alright guys, so we are in my purse room. This room has been a work in progress since I moved in. We still got stuff everywhere. This is only small. This is just clothes that needs to be folded and stored. But yeah, this is what it's looking like so far. But let me show you what I've really been working on. And that is the actual office space. And this is my wall for it right here to separate the office from the actual closet space area. But this is my take on wallpaper. I hand painted this design onto the wall because I've never installed wallpaper. I'm pretty sure I could, but I know that I am great with a paintbrush, okay? And I'm a very artistic person, so I thought that, hey, why not give this a try? So I am freshly finishing this. I see a couple of places that I'm going to touch up quickly, but I just want to show you this, and I'll show it to you in the morning. We got some actual other projects that we're going to be completing this week in this room, so we'll be back to see it as a whole, especially with natural light. But yeah, this is what it is. I like it. I like it. I kind of like it just like this, but I do want to put some artwork up, but this is the art, right? This is the art. All right, I didn't have the big light on. I didn't realize that until now. But this is the paint that I use, just some leftover paint that I use when I painted my front door. It's just matte black paint by Glidden. I got it from Walmart. But yeah, this is it. Like I said, I was thinking about putting art up, but I don't know. This can be the art. This is the art, right? This is the art. We could do some paintings. That would be nice, but we'll see how that goes later on down the line. But I like it just like this. I do. Let me know what you think. I mean, and it's just paint. If we don't like it, this just grows old on me. We just paint it. We paint over it. You can do the same color. You can paint it black. You can do whatever. It's just paint. Alright guys, so after a few days of looking at this, I want to bring it over to this wall. I feel like it'll look more complete and just overall chef's kiss if we add the design to this wall. So right now, that's what we're going to do. I've had 2 days to think about this, and so yeah, that is what I think will look better, though it looks good with just having this done. But that little piece, I feel like it'll just look so much better, especially for like filming. If I'm, look, I got boxes sitting out there. Okay, my house is very lived in. Okay, filming from this angle, and then this is done. Let's crop, let's bring it in. It'll be a tight shot, bam, like that. I just feel like that'll look just like more put together. So that's what we're gonna do right now. So we're going to go ahead and do that. I kind of have this mapped out in my head. So that's the thing with this type of designs. You get to kind of just get creative with it. There's no right or wrong way to this. You just go for it. But if you're not super sure of your thoughts, use a pencil. Just use a pencil with an eraser on it and lightly just draw what you have in your head. Just draw it lightly, and then that way you will have a guide. But I don't need a guide. We just going in. We're doing brush the paint and sticking it to that wall. That's what we're finna do. Just for this little piece, I'm thinking this might kind of be a long squiggly line, kind of like this one is like one, you can't really tell, it's like one really long squiggly line. That's what I'm thinking. So it'll probably take me about 10-15 minutes to get that kind of filled in and the consistency that we're looking for. So that's what I'm going to do. But right now, let me show you the inspiration behind my design. Okay, so this is the Amazon wallpaper that I really liked. There's a few other variations that I liked of like the black patterns, but this one just looked so artsy and it looks so easy. And I like the fact that the lines aren't perfect, meaning that we didn't have to be perfect with our lines, and all we have to do is just do it. But if you're interested in this wallpaper, it is on Amazon. I'll have it linked down below so that you can click it and kind of look at it for yourself. It's $14.99 right now, but when I first saw this over the weekend, it was way cheaper. I want to say it was like $7. $7 for the peel and stick wallpaper. But let me show you quickly another variation of the black that I liked. Okay, so this is almost the same thing, but the lines are thicker, much like what I've created, but they're closer together. And I do like this. It's just that we ain't got time for all of that, but I do like it. We could have did it, but I feel like my way was easier. Really easier. And this one's on sale right now for $8.18. All right, this one was two at the top of my idea list. I don't know. I really thought about this one, but I was like, I wanted something a little more challenging. But this one is beautiful and it looks really simple to do. It's like you're just making some little rectangles, some imperfect rectangles, and yeah, and you're kind of connecting them with a line down, straight down them. It looks easy. It looks very easy, but I'm happy with what we chose. But we're gonna go ahead and get started so we're not doing this all night. And just like that, we're done. I like it. It took about 15 minutes. I just had to get it mapped out in my head. And yeah, I like it. Imperfect lines. Abstract lines. I like it.
What was that?
My camera. Hey girl, welcome back. New day. I am so happy how this has turned out. This has been, even though I stretched it out over a couple of days, it only takes minutes to do this. You can do this in just about 2 hours and just, you know, be totally in love with your artwork. It doesn't take anything to do this. Like I said, it took me 2 hours tops to do this collectively, but I love it. I absolutely love how this has turned out. Next, we are going to install this smart shade from SmartWave to this window in our room, and I feel like that's going to make it a little more complete. Scouty, you coming to join us? Scouty is coming to join us. So we're going to go ahead and install our smart shade in our closet, and I think this is going to be really, really nice. Yeah, I think it's going to make the curtains look that much more prettier and put together. So that's what we're finna do. So I'm going to set you guys up. Scout, you going to help me? He said, yeah, he's going to help. I thought you said you was finna help me. You just laid all the way down. Okay, he's going to help as much as he can. Then next on our upgrading list for this is to change out this fan. Y'all know I have been on a chandelier kick, so you know we're getting a chandelier. We're gonna get a pretty chandelier for this room. Okay, so far you guys have seen me install these smart shades in 2 of my rooms here in my house. I have these in my sunroom as well as my living room, and I absolutely love them. And I did install motorized blackout drapes in my bedroom, and I absolutely love those as well. I'll have all those videos linked down below just in case you're interested, and you guys know that I am on a quest to make my home totally smart. I just love all types of gadgets, especially when I can operate them by a remote or by voice control. I just love it. And so this is everything we need to install. We have our power cord that is to charge our motor on our shades. We have the remote, and we have our actual brackets that will be used to hold the shade up. So this is it. I'm telling you, super simple, quick install. All right, so we have both brackets up.
The animal shelter for help if you need to. You feel like you're being abused.
No, hold on. So that took just about 10 minutes to get the bracket up, and then the bracket holds the curtain, the actual shade. It just pops into place. Literally takes minutes, guys. Super simple. So now that we have it installed, There we go. Testing it out. And as you see, yes, I did leave my blinds up because this is a cloffice and content space. I'm often up here changing clothes, and this adds for a little more security. Though this is blackout, it looks to be. But look at that. OMGG. I love that. And you use your remote to operate. That is perfect. Perfect. I love it. It looks great. I'm going to go ahead and add my curtain back. Okay, so now that I have the curtains back, this is actually really pretty, guys. I love it. This is perfect. So definitely check out Smart Shades. All their information will be down below in that description box, along with the links to my other installs from the brand. Now we can fully let the light in. I left the blinds so that I can still have that. I can still have more control of the light and how much light I'm actually getting, if that makes sense. But you can do as you please, because in other places I do not have the blinds. I did not leave those. Those were removed. But I totally love this option. This is great for me. It works for me. Alright guys, let's take a look. I love the way it looks. Definitely check out SmartWave. Their information will be down below in that description box, so don't skip over it. Very nice. Very nice. Alright guys, that is it. Let me know what you think of my abstract wall art. Let me know what you think down below in that comments area. Is this something that you would see yourself doing, or would you just order the wallpaper and call it a day? I know my limitations. I feel like I just would have tore that wallpaper totally up and wasted my money. But I am really happy with the way this came out. I love it. I didn't doubt myself because I'm a creative person. I knew that I could get this done. So yeah, I would definitely do this again and again. I love it. It exceeded my expectations for what I was looking for. Absolutely love it. But that is it for me. I hope you enjoyed today's small video, quick little vlog. But let me know what you think down below in that comments area. Drop me one. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, girl. Hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any of my uploads. Until next time, I will see you in my next video, and there'll definitely be another video. Bye.